Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Invested in myself, that mean I'm black on.
Oh, I bought my cake, get your bacon out. You don't want that real smoke, get your vaping on. Egg, rice, turkey, bacon on. Ain't in a restaurant, but I'm the bitch they been waiting on.
We are at the fish market. I'm about to get this salmon because that's what I'm gonna cook. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. So yeah, I'm here. I want to show y'all my list before I start. This is my list. Croutons, but they got Caesar croutons. Let me see what that's about. They got Caesar croutons. I'm gonna be tight if they don't taste good. I'm gonna be tight.
Oh, my heart is beating for you. I can't stop crying. I don't know how.
They will fast hanging out with me. Alright, y'all. So let's see what we got on this list. Just got this, her.
You want
Alright, y'all, so I'm back home, and like I said, when you tired, hydrate. That water tasting like juice right now. Water tastes like juice because I'm thirsty. No matter how I'm talking, I got these retainers in my mouth. I was filming for TikTok too, y'all, and you know, real, you gotta get that content, okay? So little diaries, period. So I'm about to see y'all in the next clip. I'm about to clean and organize the fridge and put these groceries in, and then we are going to prepare to cook. Period. Nah, TikTok brought me here. Toxic. I'm done journaling. Don't walk, but run to get this. Like, it's a soul searching journal, and I'm loving it so far. Like that.
It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you. Even though
Burgers is ready. The yellow rice is ready. Like the well done over here. Here we go. Y'all, this is my food.
Turns on the nothing, bro, I'm living food. How can I lose when we the ooze?
Then I got my lemon here to squeeze my salmon. Perfect person popped up. DIARIES. This is 10 out of 10. Yeah, perfect person to watch right now. DIARIES, period.
Good morning, OGs. It is 8 o'clock on the dot, y'all.
So, hold on. This is a wrap. I'm gonna call it a night. This is Solo Diaries episode 2. Not too much we did, but I don't think I got too much goods, but I think y'all should be good. I went to the supermarket, meal prep, clean out my fridge, you know. It's Sunday, so yeah. So if y'all like this video, yeah, on Solo Diaries episode 3, because we come with something different every time. Yeah, stay tuned in. Period.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari, like Pikachu.